Okay, so again multiplying our brackets with surds. So I'm going to use the grid method again. So we've got root 2 plus 1, and we've got root 2 minus 1. Root 2 multiplied by itself just gives us 2. Root 2 multiplied by 1 is root 2. Root 2 multiplied by minus 1, so we're going to have a negative root 2. And then here we've got a negative times a positive, which will be negative. 1 times 1 is just 1. So we've got 2 plus root 2 minus root 2 minus 1. So they will cancel, giving us 0. 2 minus 1 will just give us 1, which is the final answer. Moving on to R. First bracket, 3 plus root 7. Second bracket, 3 minus root 7. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times root 7 is 3 lots of root 7. Here we have a positive times a negative, which will be negative, and we've got 3 lots of root 7. And here we've got a negative times a positive, which is negative. Root 7 multiplied by itself will just be 7. So we have 9 plus 3 root 7 minus 3 root 7 minus 7. Again, this will give us 0. So we are left with 9 minus 7, which gives us the number 2. And then the last one, a little bit more complicated, starts in the same way. 1 plus 2 root 2, and then 5 minus 3 root 7. 1 times 5 is 5. Now we've got 2 lots of root 2 multiplied by 5, which means we've got 10 lots of root 2. Here we've got a positive times a negative, which is negative. 1 lot of 3 root 7. And then be careful with this term. We've got a positive times a negative, which is negative. And like we did on the previous video, 2 multiplies by 3 to give 6. And then the root 7 multiplies by the root 2 to give root 14. So take that term slowly, be careful with that one. Now we add our 4 terms together. 5 plus 10 root 2 minus 3 root 7 minus 6 root 14. And we have different surds, so we will just leave our final answer with 4 terms.